हेलो, नमस्कार। सोमनाथ भारती, आपका विधायक एक बार फिर आपके सामने। तो मैं आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं कि आपने अपनी एंट्रीज भेजी हैं और इसका चूंकि जो एंट्रीज आ चुकी। अब इसके बाद दूसरा चरण होगा और जो साथी रह गए हैं उनके लिए अगली बार। नाउ माय कोलीग श्वेता नैयर धाम will detail you the further nuances of this e-competition, e-MLA's Young Orators Program. Best of luck. Thank you. God bless you.
So much, Bharti ji. Congratulations to all of you. Congratulations to all the parents, to the principals, to the children, to all the teachers. आप लोगों ने इतनी मेहनत की है कि it is showing in the way you have spoken. We had 4 categories in this event. Category A was class 5th and 6th. Category B was class 7th and 8th. And category C was class 9th and 10th. And category D was class 11th and 12th. So what we have done is we were so busy last week, all the judges, all the panelists, सब लोग busy थे कि हमारे पास जो इतने सारे videos आए हैं, we had to be fair to each one of you, and top 15 have been chosen from category B, C and D. हमने top 15 choose किए हैं. Out of those top 15, only top 10 children are going for the final round, which is on Saturday, day after tomorrow, 16th, and you will all be informed, so don't worry, you will get a call from our team and they will be explaining each and everything to you, so don't worry on that. Now secondly, category A, जिसमें छोटे छोटे बच्चे class 5th and 6th, I am so happy to see you all. आपने जिस तरीके से, जिस कॉन्फिडेंस से आपने बोला है और इतने सारे वीडियोस भेजे हैं, आपका बहुत 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 शुक्रिया. इट वाज रियली ग्रेट टू सी सच enthusiasm in those small cutie kids. So thank you. And category A has top 20 children because there were so many videos, and top 10 will be going in for the final round, which is day after tomorrow on 16th. As I said, don't worry, you will be getting a call from our team. Now, how did we manage? What was the process? So we had 2 panels of judges who were actually seeing and scanning all the videos. Now, moving forward, what you have to basically do in the next phase. So top 10 will be getting a call from our team. We have made a web page. We have made a web page for the entire event. All 400, close to 450 entries will be put on that web page. We are sending a link. Please click on that link and you can see the entire category A, B, C, D on that web page. The results are published on that web page. So in the message you can click, you can see the video message also, that link will be given, and we are very happy that we have been able to manage such a huge event in this very very short time. It was very good to see so much of energy, so much of enthusiasm from all of you. I'm so happy. So encourage all your friends, your teachers, your fellow peers, everybody to watch you live, the top 10 live on Saturday, and it's a big event. One more important thing which is to be kept in mind is that on this particular web link, there may be a possibility that because of some technical errors in few videos, because of some format, we have not been able to upload the videos. So please don't panic, but all your videos have been scanned by our panelists, and to top 10 students only we will be giving a call and coordinating with only top 10 students. For all the rest of the students, the entire videos and the results are live on the particular link which is showing in the video message. I would also take this opportunity to thank Manish Sisodia ji, जिन्होंने वक्त निकाल के आप सबके लिए मैसेज भेजा, हम सबके लिए मैसेज भेजा और पूरी टीम को इतना encourage किया. So thank you Manish ji. And lastly, I think Somnath Bharti ji, it's been wonderful that he has taken so much of interest for all of you, for all our children, taken this event to a very very different level. Thank you so much Somnath Bharti ji. It was really great talking to you. Let's take this event to a different level. God bless you all, each one of you from our team. It's a big applause. So thank you, wishing you all the best, and Jai Hind. Thank you.